The second part of this lesson is looking at how to solve with squares. Same process, so I'm just going to jot it down for you guys this time. Use order of operations backwards to determine what to cancel. Apply the golden rule. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. Repeat as needed. And check. Alright, so if I knew what x was, the first thing I would do is square it and then add 8. So I'm going to cancel my adding 8 by subtracting. Trying to talk and write at the same time isn't always easy for me. Alright, so we're going to cancel the 8. Don't perform the operation on the side with the variable, leaving us with x squared. 23 minus 8 is 15. How do I cancel a square? Well, if I cancel a square root by squaring it, I cancel a square by square rooting. So I'm going to take the square root of both sides. Why? To cancel my square. And since 15 isn't a perfect square, we're not actually going to check our answer on this one. Actually, no, this one's easy to check. Let me show you. So we're going to substitute it back in. And what do a square root and a square do to each other? We just saw several examples where they cancel each other out. So I don't have to know what the square root of 15 is to know that the square will cancel it, leaving me with 15. And 15 plus 8 is 23. Sorry, again, I can't talk and write at the same time. So it checks out. Last example before the you try. Use order of operations backwards to determine which operation to cancel. So if I knew what x was, because of the grouping symbols, the first thing I would do is subtract 7 and then square it. So this time I'm going to cancel the square first by square rooting. Why did I square root? To cancel the square, leaving me with x minus 7. Square root of 81 is 9. How do I finish solving? Cancel the subtracting 7 by adding. 9 plus 7 is 16. So let's check our answer, substitute that back in to the original equation. 16 minus 7 is 9, and 9 squared is 81. You try problems.